Hello guys, today we're going to teach you guys how to make a sign in Roblox Studio. So we're going to wait until it launches and we're going to make a sign. If you need your game to make a sign, then you just go ahead and like the video. Alright, it's starting. Roblox Studio. If you don't know what Roblox is, well, it's something like a game platform. Go to www.roblox.com and sign up for free if you want to start playing on Roblox. Roblox Studio is made to make your games on Roblox. Auto recovery file. Auto recovery file. Who cares about auto recovery files? Yes, go away, auto recovery files. So now, as you can see, we have a group, and I don't need this. I'm just gonna try to make a sign in here. Those core packages and core stuff, I don't know what those were, but so this is my place here. I can make. You might have such things like these, or if you want to do this in other game, then you just scroll somewhere. Yo, what is this? Okay. I make that, by the way. Alright, so first, go to the workspace. Just click here. You can make it any shape you want, but except the sphere or cylinder or whatever. Well, I'm just gonna go for a block. Where is the block? Where is it? Where is it? Where did I put it? Is it there yet? Never mind. Port. Good. Let's name it sign. Let's go down here and take that. Now all you need to do is insert a surface GUI into it, then a text label, and then we will I think we need to type in here where, let's scroll down all the way to text, and you can type in here whatever, and it shows up, and let's turn on the text scale so it adjusts the size to the full mouse. If you want to change the text color, you can just see it here. We can see it's blue now. Or if you want to change the color of the sign, then you can just change its material. You can change it to wood, neon. It's called glow if you the neon, or if you want to change it into whatever stuff, and you can granite. Look at that. Just the white spot on the text was because we haven't tested its background transparency to 1. That's much better. What do you think about this? Is it epic? Is this sign, epic? If you want to make it bigger or something, then simply first you must resize this thing, scale, and as you can see it gets bigger. If you want to make the text bigger too, then just go to the text label and adjust its size. XY. Bruh. Automatic size. Y. Bruh. This automatic size is broken. None. Go away, automatic size. We don't need automatic size. We're just gonna set it up because the size is that. Alright, so size constraint. What are we looking for? Size. X is left. X means that how much size is this way, and Y is this way. So let's increase Y. 100. Still not big enough. 150. Whoa, that's already too much. 125. Too low. That's not enough either. 130. 140. 142. And that's almost it. Now if you want to change the texts, remember what do you need to do? And if these text alignments, now if I text X alignment, if I change to left, it's gonna go left, and if it's gonna go to the center, it's this, and you guessed what it happens when you click it right, it's gonna go here. As for text Y alignment, it's gonna be bottom if you put it top, or bottom or center. So this is and the text stroke color is the outline. Now if I wanna change this to, for example, white, then instead the text stroke temperature is 0. As you can see, it will have a little white outline. As you can see the white stuff. So yeah, this is how to make a sign. That was it. Bye bye. Never mind, you should click save. You should click save or publish or whatever. Alright, that's it. Stop recording.